Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us may face in our daily lives. Picture this. You have a whole home audio setup with AirPlay through an Airport Express as one of your sources. Now, wouldn't it be awesome if you could have music start playing automatically when you come home using geofencing? Well, that's the problem we're looking to solve today. In terms of the solution, it seems that sadly, no model of HomePod is capable of sending audio to a remote destination. Instead, these devices receive audio streams and play them through their own speakers. So, while the HomePod Mini can serve as a speaker for AirPlay, it can't broadcast its music to other AirPlay devices. Your best bet for capturing or generating audio to AirPlay receivers would be devices like a Mac, Apple TV, iOS, or iPadOS. Unless you're using a stereo pair of HomePods, they typically only play to themselves from the network without the option to send audio streams to other AirPlay devices. So, it looks like we'll have to explore alternative methods to achieve our geofencing music dream. In summary, if you were hoping to use a HomePod Mini to broadcast music to your AirPlay devices, unfortunately, that's not a feature that's available. However, there are other devices like Macs and Apple TVs that can help you achieve similar outcomes. So while it's not the end of the road, it's just a little detour in our quest for the ultimate home audio setup. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on our music dilemma. Remember, music always finds a way,